How to fix problem with setting up a personal hotspot on the iPhone. So if you get the error to enable personal hotspot on this account, please contact the carrier network. Then what you can try to do is to reset the network settings. So go into the network settings, and basically what you do is you just reset it, and hopefully this error should goes away. So if you go into reset network settings, so this is on the iPhone 4. The phone is starting now, so just wait. Okay, so we go into settings, general, network. So just turn on Wi-Fi. Now after resetting the network settings, I found that the phone is still not working with the personal hotspot. So what I did is I tried to call the network provider, and they basically do some resettings on their end, and I called them to make sure that they activate Wi-Fi hotspot, but still it's not working. So the next step I did is I basically went to a software update. So I went in here, software update, and I perform a software update. And after that, after the software update, I have to set up the phone again, and after which it works. So I guess the software update, or even a soft reset, might fix the Wi-Fi hotspot issue for you. Thanks for watching this video.